Terminal 6 Julia Lima, you'll be number 1 for departure. Fly straight out, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
6 Julia Lima.
Cessna 82 Romeo, 2 helicopters in left closed traffic to the taxiway, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Roby, look for the helicopters, clear to land 22 left, ready to Romeo.
Gate 818, I'll call your crosswind to follow a Cessna.
You'll call our crosswind at 18.
Skate 204, follow the traffic on the taxiway, acknowledge runway 22 right, taxi via Alpha November.
Follow traffic, Alpha November, 22 right, Skate 204.
Departure 779er, straight out, approved, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
22 right, straight out, clear for takeoff, 437.
Terminal 6 Julia Lima, traffic ahead and to your left to Cherokee, will be left crosswind in the pattern. Outside that Cherokee, left turn approved.
6 Julia Lima has the traffic, I'll stay outside of it.
Skate 818, turn left crosswind.
Left crosswind at 18.
Helicopter 90 Charlie, traffic to your right is a Cessna entering downwind at the helipad, cleared to land. Helicopter 90 Charlie at the helipad, cleared to land, acknowledge.
Catch ground traffic, 6 Julia Lima, left downwind 5, catch ground.
Jaguar 425, crossing over the VOR, procedure turn outbound 4000.
Catch ground traffic, 6 Julia Lima, left base 5, catch ground full stop.
Stanfield traffic, Cessna 21329er, 4,500 feet, about 2 miles from the north to Stanfield VOR. Stanfield.
Stanfield traffic, 635 is over the VOR, inbound on the island, approach 3,500 is open, Stanfield. Charlie Air 525, vacating 4,000 for 3,500, procedure turn outbound, 4,000 is now open.
20329, dropping down to 4,000, we're just entering procedure turn. Entering the stack now. 104.
Stanfield traffic, Archer 43779, we'll take 4,500, then about a minute and a half, Stanfield.
Stanfield traffic, 2655 is about 12 miles to the north, request top of stack.
Up a stack, 4,500, 5,000 is open, Stanfield.
Stanfield traffic, 2655 will be taking 5,000 in about 8 minutes, Stanfield.
Catch ground traffic, 6 Julia Lima is clear of 5.